My name's Morgan Richardson. I've lived here since September of 2020, and we are located in the East Side neighborhood. When I moved in, the floor was covered in carpet, probably about 20, 30 years old, and just really kind of stale looking. And I love hardwood floor, so I knew that I wanted to just take up the carpet. So I began the process, and it was a little bit lengthy, but worth it. Pulled it up, it was pretty dusty, and I didn't realize how many staples were in carpet until I started pulling it up. So after I did as much as I could do on my own, I hired a family team to come and do restoration and sanding and then staining the hardwood. And then in the kitchen, there were about 5 layers of subfloor and linoleum and things like that. So the kitchen was a lot more work, but just kind of prying it up piece by piece. And the floor finishers did a really excellent job. I love that hardwood floor to me, like early 1900s architecture, is just very enchanting. Like when I walk into the space, I feel inspired and uplifted. Like it's very light, very airy, and I just love that about it. It's very connected to history, to people who lived here in the past, and it just makes me feel connected to the past and inspired in my own life. I wanted something dreamy, enchanting, just very clean and uplifting. That's how I feel when I enter the space.